Good evening, everyone. It is time for Wax Zone Breaks on Saturday night. We have 9, that's right, 9 breaks tonight. Trying to break my back, but that's all right. We're going to do this. We got everything today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start off with break number 790. And the quick eBay disclaimer is please check the description of our listing for the sweepstakes, which, by the way, mean you don't have to make any purchases necessary to enter the sweepstakes, but just go check the listing and you'll figure it out. Okay, 790. First, we're going to start with some Topps Chrome Formula One, brand new, hot off the presses. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Who's in the house? Say hello. Say goodbye. Say something. Tell us what team you want. Or, I guess, racing club. Or driver. It is team? Yeah, it is. Right, it's a racing team. Team. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for joining. We got a little bit of everything now. We got football, we got soccer, we got F1, we got baseball, we got basketball. Got it all, baby. Just for you. Lots of opening today. Nothing like 9 breaks. Warm up them fingers. Yeah, I guess. It's my fingers. Charlie bit my finger. Let's see what kind of auto we can get in here. Is it guaranteed or look out? Oh, it says look out for, so that means
not guaranteed.
It's not guaranteed, which means it's like the weather. Just don't know. You may get showers, you may not. All right, I don't know why I did this, but okay. Good luck, everybody. See what we got here. We got a purple Gasly. Purple Gasly out of $3.99. 45 out of $3.99. Gasly. A Ralph Chrome. These are some new ones. Speed Demon Alonso Silver, or Chrome, I should say. I don't think there's any rookies, is there? George Russell.
I haven't followed.
Yeah, Verstappen. There's a Chrome Verstappen. There's an Aqua Wave of Iwasa. That's going to be not numbered, I guess. No, it is. Out of 150. 133 out of 150. I guess they decided to put him on the front. Yeah, I saw that. 133 out of 150. Iwasa. Ooh, nice black. Lewis Hamilton. Is that numbered? No. Mercedes black. The way they look. Tiny stuff. Schumacher Speed Demon. Hey, Max Verstappen out of $2.99. There's a mini diamond for you. Mini diamond chrome. 201 out of $2.99. Carlos Sainz. Sainz. Checker. Leclerc. Are not numbered. Auger. A team card for Gasly. Alpine. I guess they're all black, so that's easy to remember. And Max Verstappen's Amber. Amber. That's a weird thing to say. Amber Alert when you're driving your fucking F1 sports car. Amber Alert. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what else we got here. Got the Mercedes again. George Russell team card. And Amber Alert. What do we got here? Gold Wave out of 50. Max Verstappen, world champion. Nice. 23 of 50. Nice hit. 23 of 50 world champion. Gold number. Other Verstappen silver. keep saying silver, but I mean chrome, guys. Jahan Daruvala. That's right, it's going to be F2 people on here, that's why. Amber Orlando Norris. For George Russell. There's a rookie. His name is Logan Sargent. Logan Sargent. Missed Logan. Albon. Chrome. Logan Sargent again. Rookie. And we have a Leclerc. Going to be either a Ray Wave or a Lava. I'm not sure, but out of 250, 135 out of 250. Fuchsia. Something. Zhao. And a orange red. Ralph Bossung. Star. Verscore. Yeah, nice stuff. What's up, Max? I assume you have Max. Do you have Verstappen? Those other rookies. If I did, I'm sorry. Oh, yep, there's another one. There's Oscar Piastri. There's another rookie. Now we know of 2 rookies.
For those of you that are new to our stream, because we haven't done F1 in a long time, for every 5 likes on the live stream that we get, we do give away a free pack of anything that you see in the background there. Hit the like button.
Yeah, what he just said. Okay, another rookie. All right, box 2. Awesome. Nice hit so far, man. That out of 50 is pretty cool. So you think we're gonna have a change this next season? Is Max gonna retain his dominance? Certainly feels like he is in his zone, and there's been some seat changes. So we'll see. Did I read that right? That Max's partner is going to be Ricardo? Ricky Ricardo? That's what I thought I read. Unless, or did he go to Mercedes? I know Ricardo got picked up by somebody. I read a little tidbit about F1 after the season ended, but. All right, here we go. There's no auto in the first box. Let's see if we can get one in this one. There's a rookie of Piastri. There we have a purple Magnussen, 18 out of 399. Go for Haas. Du Haas. I know you wanted to say that. Amber Russell. The rookie of Sargent. A red-green for Hajar. For High Tech. Not numbered. Lando Norris, Chrome. Team card of AlphaTauri for Tsunoda. We got another George Russell. No, we have a Fernando Alonso, 39 out of 50 for Aston Martin. 39 out of 50, Gold Wave, nice. There's Sergio Perez, Chrome. Sergio Perez, Chrome. A mini diamond of Esteban Ocon, 85 of 299 for Alpine. Team card of Red Bull. There you go. Sergio Perez's team card. Max Verstappen. Fittipaldi. There's a name. Famous name. George Russell, Speed Demon. Oh, another rookie, DeVries. What the hell's going on here? Ralph Boscombe, Chrome. I liked it when it was just Zhao, the one rookie to look for. Fernando Alonso. I don't like it. I don't like this. There's Danny Ricciardi. Nice. Well, that's not a jersey. What do you call it? A suit? Retardant suit. Fernando Alonso. Aqua Wave to 150. 114 to 150. Nice card right there. Congrats, Aston Martin. We got Lando. Lando should have changed his name to Lambo. Just call me Lambo. George Russell, Chrome. There's a Team Williams. It's rookie card, Logan Sargent, I guess. Schumacher, Speed Demon. We know that. There's Zhao. And, ooh, nice. Beautiful. 21 of 25, Monza. We got one of those beautiful rides. 21 of 25, orange of all. Beautiful car. Now we got Checker, Toto, Leclerc, Chrome, Machram. There's a purple checker of Kevin Magnussen out of 199, 21 of 199. A Alfa Romeo black team card. No auto, but that one card was awesome. Max Verstappen. Speaking of that one card, Max, we did not sell the. I just got word. I got word in my ear. My producer just told me we did not sell the other spot. So therefore, we're gonna have to randomize that sick card to everyone in the break. So yeah, so everyone. Yes, it is Max. It's gonna be random. I just got word. We did not sell an other spot. So we're going to have to wait for the end of the break. Night.
Not the end of the night. Just
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm just fucking with him. Beautiful card, though. Monza to 25 orange. Sweet. You want me to email you the list, or you're good?
got it. Thanks, Dal.
Okay, listen. That's what I do. I guess the more teams you had, or the more teams you had, the better chance you have of grabbing that card. It's sick. It's funny because I asked you. It's like, hey, did we sell that? Nah. What are the odds we're gonna get that? Well, we did. Hopefully, we get at least one auto.
To 25 on top.
It is to 20. It's an orange to 25, man. That's badass. And Monza's a beautiful racetrack. So. Hey Max, I think you're new to our channel, right? Or have you broken with us before? Thank you for the subscription, Robert Day. Appreciate you, sir. All right, here we go. Well, appreciate you finding us, however you found us. Thank you. We got Leclerc, Arthur Leclerc. Is that his brother or cousin or somebody? There's Leclerc, the real Leclerc. Nice. Rookie to 50. 8 of 50. Gold. Oscar Piastri. Brother? All right, cool. Gold. Rookie to 50. Gold. 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 Nice. Charles Leclerc. Legions. And we got a checker of Lance Stroll. Verstappen Chrome. We did get one, and it's Ralph Boskung for Campos Racing. Ralph Boskung. Twin breaks in the house. What's up, Twin? A nice rookie to 50 goal. I mean, this is what we do, guys. Max Verstappen. I don't know if we'll do any more, but we got our asses handed to us on this one. Apparently the appeal for F1 is not what it used to be. Just, you know, sidebar. Piastri, rookie. Valtteri Bottas. Got beat the hell up. Mansell.
What was that one?
DeVries. What?
What was that one dude that y'all got
spanked? Not spanked. Slapped?
I don't know.
Beaten down or whatever?
Y'all get clapped on?
No, clapped. That's what it was. Zane Maloney, purple green. F2 for Cataline.
I'm like, we didn't know, but thanks for letting us.
Yeah, someone's keeping tabs. Magnussen. We got a purple checker of Pierre Gasly for Alpine. Out of 199. Williams, we got Albon. What else we got here? Lewis. Franz Toast. Okay. Tsunoda. Senna. Piastri rookie again. There's Zane Maloney, Chrome. Coulthard. A mini diamond out of 299. Sebastian Vettel for Aston Martin. Williams, Alexander Albon. A purple of Carlos Sainz, number 1 out of 399. Pole position, 1 out of 399. Purple Ferrari. Carlos Sainz again. Rookie of DeVries. There's Max Verstappen Chrome. No shortage of Max Verstappen again, Oracle Racing. There's Max Verstappen again, and Max Verstappen again. And Charles Leclerc. It's like fuchsia. 93 of 250. Lava or something. And Charles Leclerc Chrome. All right, that's not bad. All right, let's recap and random this beautiful track card. All right, here we go. What do we got here? We got ourselves a Sebastian Vettel out of 299. Mini diamond. We got ourselves a Carlos Sainz purple out of 399. We got a Pierre Gasly out of 199 purple checkerboard. We got the Oscar Piastri 8 out of 50 rookie card gold. Very nice hit. A purple out of 199 of Kevin Magnussen, purple checker. A Aqua Wave of Fernando Alonso out of 150. A Gold Wave out of 50 of Fernando Alonso. A Mini Diamond of Esteban Ocon out of 299. A Purple of Kevin Magnussen out of 399. A Lava of Leclerc out of 250. A Gold Verstappen out of 50. Award winner. A nice Mini Diamond out of 299 for Verstappen. A Aqua Wave out of 150 of Iwasa. A Purple Gasly out of 399. And a Fuchsia Leclerc Lava out of 250. We did have one auto. It was Ralph Boskung. And that was Chrome auto. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we are going to randomize this gorgeous 21 out of 25 orange Monza.
All right, everyone. So, as usual, all the teams are in. We'll roll 2 dice, and we're going to go 4 times total. Top team will get that one card. 1, 2, 3, 4. F2 Art Grand Prix team, which is hilarious because this is the Art Du Grand Prix card. So
That's even better.
it's even better. 4 times.
So who was it? Art Grand Prix?
Art Grand Prix F2.
F2 Art Grand Prix. Congratulations to whoever won it. All right, guys and gals, we'll be right back with 791.
Thanks, everyone.